Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to other episode of Parrot English. Tonight I'm going to talk about relative pronoun. A relative pronoun is used to connect a clause or phrase to a noun or pronoun. The clause modifies or describes the noun. The most common relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. Sometimes when and where can be used as a relative pronoun as word. Using relative pronoun. The relative pronouns are placed directly after the noun or pronoun they modify. I'm going to tell you a sample using who. The driver who ran the stop signs was careless. Example using whom. The children whom we love dearly need better education. Example using whose. Never go to a doctor whose office plants have died. Other example using whose. I have a friend whose cat is annoying. Example using which. The book, which is now out of print, has all the information you need. Example using that. This is the book that everyone is talking about. Occasionally, the related verbs when and where are also used as a relative pronoun. I'm going to tell a sample using when. Grandma remembers a time when radio shows were popular. Example using where. I want to go to a resort where the food is free. Okay guys, thank you so much. This was all for tonight. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursdays. See you next Thursdays. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.